Hello, welcome to Modern Tamil. Those who really wanted to go Dallas Zoo, this video is really going to help you guys. You can see whatever the latest animals and how they are in this video. So please subscribe to my channel and continue watching the video. So this is Zoo. So all the animals, whatever available in the Dallas Zoo is covered in the video. So the entrances are like flamingo. It is all with flamingos, and it was so beautiful. And there are a lot of other birds in that actually, but we were like very much attracted to the flamingo because of the color. This was so beautiful, and then we saw this animal with a setup for children park. A bond setup was made to show the children how that would be. That was really good. And also we have lot of stores available inside the zoo near this place to get all kind of snacks. And this is an amazing thing, but you have to buy the ticket for this. This is a dinosaurs park. The entrance of Dinosaurs Park. Before the entrance of Dinosaurs Park, we have a tiger cage that was nice. This is a skeleton or the fossil of the tiger. Here is the tiger. It was sleeping nicely, and that was really nice to see. Yes. And here is the entrance of Dinosaurs Park. Dinosaurs Park is extremely nice, and we got ticket for that and went into that. We thought it won't be that much nice, but it really very good and beyond our expectation. All the animals inside the Dinosaurs Park was like shaking its body, and the music was really good. Some was really very nice, and not able to understand whether it's whether it's alive or it's a toy. Actually, this dinosaur was splitting the water. It's very funny to see. And we have all the reptiles like snakes and all those things. This is also a new one of the thing in the park. And here is the hippopotamus. Yes, nearly five hippopotamus was there. Oh, giraffe was really tall and very healthy. It's very, very nice to watch. Keep subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel and watch, support my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.